What's going on? Schmitty Garage here, working on a new table saw that one of my neighbors threw away. I love when people throw away money. It is so useful. It's a Performix 10-inch table saw. So it had came with everything here. They threw it out because the handle was broken. I made one. I found this mini bike foot peg that I had, and the problem was the blade was stuck in the down position. So I found this piece in my scrap pile, and then drilled a hole through the rod, and then removed the old parts, and then now I got a working table saw. There's always ways that you can revitalize old stuff that's broke. People throw away a lot of money. Just like that. So let's raise this back up a little bit. I'm probably gonna lubricate the bolt so it goes up and down real nice. Yeah, and then I can put a piece of wood in and here. All right, here goes. All right, hold on, here goes. Cool. These things are so dangerous. But I like free. All right, peace.